This tutorial is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your website on demand. And don't forget, subscribe for more tutorials.
Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to change your WordPress site URL. Sometimes you need to do this if you're switching domains or maybe switching to a subdomain, or you're changing from HTTP to HTTPS. There's probably a bunch of other steps that you need to do into getting to this process of changing your site URL. So make sure you're following those steps to whatever you're doing before changing your site URL. I'm going to show you, there's actually a few ways you can do this. You can do it via the WP config, you can do it through the database, but I'm going to show you the easiest way to do it. It's straight from the WordPress dashboard. All you're going to need to do is go to your settings and to general. Okay, and from general, you can see WordPress address and site address, and this is what you're going to want to change. This is how you change your WordPress site URL. Sometimes these will not be the same. It kind of depends on where your WordPress installation directory is for some of them. So pretty much you just enter the address that you need and then make sure there's no trailing slash like this on the end of it. And that is how you change your site URL. I hope that helps you guys, and have a great day.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please subscribe. And if you need extra help, visit AskQuesty.com and send us your questions.